This is Trans Nzoia Referral and Teaching Hospital, which was started in 2015 out of the great need in this region. I want to give an example. We had only 2 operating theaters. The entire county has only a total of 320 beds, and congestion was one of our major challenges. In addition to that, all advanced equipment and consultations were done at MTRH in Eldoret, which is a distance of 76 kilometers. The MTRH, as of now, is also congested because it serves a wide area. Our catchment area here, apart from the Trans Nzoia people who are 1 million, will be about 5 million. Parts of Bungoma, parts of Kakamega, Uasin Gishu, Elgeyo Marakwet, Pokot fully, and even Turkana. But also some eastern parts of Uganda who still even come here to seek medical or services. So that need made us to start this facility. The facility is about 90% complete. It sits on 5 acres. The area covered by the buildings is about 18,000 square meters. As I said, about 400 beds. Out of those, 30 are ICU beds, 12 are HDU beds. We have 10 theaters. 8 of them are major theaters, 2 are minor theaters. We have supporting services, medical gases plant, which produces about 2,500 cubic meters of oxygen per minute, which actually serves 200 beds, is pumped to 200 beds. We have a full functional laundry, which can even cater for the entire county if need be. 2 standby generators, because we want this facility to be level 5 and possibly grow it to level 6. 2 standby generators of 500 kVA each. We do also have in place a functional kitchen already equipped that can serve over 1,000 people. You can see also we have a mortuary, and as I said, Trans Nzoia now does not have a proper mortuary. We use a container. But we've put a very modern mortuary designed for 96 bodies, but as of now we have equipment already installed for 64 bodies. The place has been tested and is working. In the mortuary we also have facilities, conference, offices, so if we have to do teaching, we still have adequate space. We have provided adequate water to the facility, connected ourselves to the major supply of water, 200,000 liters tank storage, but we have an underground tank that can take 1.5 million liters. We do have a private wing that will take 22 beds. Most of the private wing is 1 room per person. These are people who pay slightly more. But also we have the diagnostic facility for the private area. We do have dialysis, which is about 16 beds. Also, that's a major facility. Now, when it comes to the wards again, we have specialized wards. Maternity, like 42 beds, the medical wards, maybe 90 beds, and it goes on and on like that. Now, our biggest ward here, we restricted it. It's only about 12 beds. That's the biggest ward. Most of them are actually 8 beds. And as I said, medical gases are provided on one side of the beds, covering about 200 beds in total. We'll also, the waste management, we've made a modern method of doing waste. It will be recycled and we use water for watering. The lighting, the design is such that natural light goes to every area, and we have green areas within the hospital, but we have also solar facilities that will be heating the water for the entire facility. In conclusion, we have sampled the hospital. We've not gone to every corner, but you can actually see that all the main facilities are in place, apart from 1 or 2 areas where the construction is still going on. It's fully equipped, not fully equipped. equipped by non-medical equipment. You can see here we have the beds, we have the oxygen dispensers on the other side, we have seen the supporting infrastructure. So the hospital is ready to go. During this COVID pandemic time, I have one appeal. This is a facility, if we got a partner, national government, mostly, or even a PPP, that's private sector, to bring the medical equipment, which is estimated to cost about 2 billion Kenya shillings. It can be operationalized immediately. And possibly one of the possibilities is to set it aside as a facility to cater for COVID cases in the region, because we have 200 beds that have oxygen connected. There, when COVID goes, then we can revert it to its normal functions. So my appeal is to the Ministry of Health, my appeal is to the national government, that let's take advantage of this facility. My appeal is to the President, that if we come together, his agenda on health will have made a major step if we operationalize this hospital jointly. We hope that in due time we can link up with the national government and have this facility operationalized. Thank you.